Now, today onwards, we go with start with the intermediate 1B textbook. In that one, coordinate geometry. First topic, introduction. In that introduction, already you know, in 10th standard, you learn coordinate geometry basics. In this section, what are the basics? Once again, I revise it. You learn already. This line is called by the horizontal line. This line is called by the vertical line. Horizontal line is nothing but a x-axis. Vertical line is denoted as a y-axis. This is x dash. This will be y dash. Whenever will be x-axis and y-axis will be intersecting, that place will be 90 degrees will be formed. Then in this area plus plus, in this area minus plus, minus minus. This area will be plus and minus. So it is called by the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. This already you know that. Next concept is generally a point denoted as a p x comma y. For example, this point is called by the origin. It is denoted as by the 0 comma 0. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. This side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that you are denoting on the x-axis and y-axis. A point, first x-axis, later y-axis you are denoting. Then this is called by the origin. Now, this is called by the equation of the x-axis. Equation of the x-axis is called by y equal to 0. What is the reason? Here point is denoted as a 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, like that. So everywhere if you observe value of the y is 0. That's why equation of the x-axis is called by the y equal to 0. In the same manner, equation of the y-axis is called by x equal to 0. Next, one more concept. A line is parallel to the x-axis with the k units distance. With the k units distance. For suppose, here I draw once again. This is x-axis, x dash, y, y dash. It is called by the equation of the x-axis, nothing but a y equal 0. It is called by equation of the x-axis. That is called by equation of the y-axis is x equal to 0. Same manner here origin 0 comma 0. Next one more point is a line is parallel to the x-axis with the k units distance. A line is parallel to the x-axis with the k units distance. Then the equation is denoted as by y equal to k. In the same manner, a line is parallel to the y-axis with the k unit distance, then it is denoted as called by x equal to k. In the same manner, this side if it denoted as y equal to minus k, now it is denoted as by x equal to minus k. Now same. Now discuss with the some formulae. This is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. It is 0, 0. Now, if you find out the distance, formula number 1 is distance. This is already you know that in the 10th standard. A point is denoted as a x1, y1, b x2, y2. That means any 2 points lie in the any coordinate, then how to find out distance formula there means it is denoted as a AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is called by the distance between the 2 points. Next formula is section formula. Second one is section formula. What is the meaning of a section formula? There means y-axis, x-axis, y dash, x dash. It is a x1, y1, B x2 y2. 2 points are there. Any one more point dividing P x comma y in the ratio m is to n. M is to n. Then how to denote it as there means, for suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2, it would denote it as by the m is to n ratio. M is to n ratio. Then how to denote it as there means P x comma y. P x comma y equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n, m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. It is called by the section formula. Here P is called by the dividing point. P is called by the dividing point. P is called by the dividing point of the AB. P is lies of the A comma A and B. That's why it is, this formula is called by internal formula. It is called by the internal formula. Same for suppose AB here is there, then dividing point here is there. Then formula is the same. Then how to write there means, by m minus n. Here plus will come, here minus will come. Then this is called by the outside of the AB. Now this is called by the external formula. It is called by external formula. Now next formula is area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. That means, for suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3 are the 3 points like as a triangle in the two coordinate plane. Then how to find the area of the triangle? That means it is denoted with the symbol of delta equal to half into modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. It is formula for the area of the triangle. Now for suppose area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle will be 0. Then indirectly what is that meaning means? No triangle formed. No triangle formed. Whenever no triangle is formed, there means indirectly the vertices are called by the collinear. The vertices are called by, what is that word? Collinear. So indirectly area of the triangle formula, area of the triangle will be 0 you are getting. Then indirectly no triangle formed. No triangle formed there means 3 points are lie on a same line. Then these points are called by the collinear points. In this case AC equal to AB plus BC, otherwise ACB. For suppose in this case AB equal to AC plus BC. For suppose BCA, in this case AB equal to BC plus AC. Any manner condition will satisfy, then the points are called by the collinear points. Okay. Next video we will go with the area of the quadrilateral point of congruency. This concept will explain in the next video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe. Thank you.